Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to check orders on Zalando. Pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zalando account, which of course you've done right here. The next thing is I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own Zalando account. Here's what you should do. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type zalando.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get to the official website, locate the sign up button and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. All right, so now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to check orders on Zalando. Let's say you found something really fanciful, like this gifting hub, and you can see that all of these gifts are just really so nice, and you want to order this for your partner or somebody just very dear to you. You just want this stuff. You'll see that it is in Zalando. All right, so after placing an order and then paying for it, and you're like, oh, I just want to check my previous orders to see what they're like. Or let's say you placed an order and you want to return it because you mistakenly placed that order. Or let's say you placed an order and then the product is damaged or defective. Here's exactly how or where to find your orders in Zalando. Check the top right corner of your screen. You're gonna see this personalized icon, or let's say I like to call it the human face, but it has a part of the neck, so let's say human icon. So you're gonna see an extended menu here: your account, orders, return an item, help, and contact. So I think you should know where to click on. So you can go ahead and click on orders here, and once you click on orders here, it's gonna open you up to the orders window. So this is the window, right, for orders, and it says you haven't shopped with us yet. Is today the day? This copy really beautiful. No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Zalando. Today is not the day, and I'm not going to click on continue shopping. I just want to show my viewers how and where they can find your orders, how to find your orders, or where they can find your orders, and it's just here. So, hi viewers. I'm not doing anything with Zalando. I just wanted to see where you can find your orders. Right here in this window on this page is where you can find all your orders. You can track them here as well. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.